Working on a Soss hinge right now for a door for a mid-century modern piece, and right now the hole for the screw is stripped out. The wood's no good there, so we're going to come up with an idea to fill the hole in. Then we're going to re-drill it, and we're going to reset the Soss hinge. In this case, we're going to use a chopstick, which actually works pretty good because it's tapered already, and that's the kind of thing you'd want to use to fill the hole in. So this is a clever idea in case you are desperate like me and don't really have time to go out to the store and get a dowel. In this case, chopsticks work fine, and you can use the ones that are really cheap ones too, that are just come with your lunch or dinner orders. Gonna add some glue into the hole. Let that soak in a little bit. I'm gonna put the chopstick in. I'm gonna let that sit, and we'll come back, we'll cut it off, and we'll go from there. So we're gonna cut this away carefully after the glue's been set. Okay. Now the hole's been filled. Alright, now we're gonna set the hinge again because there's actually one good side. So I'm able to put the screw back in and hold that into place. And now, and this is an act of desperation because I actually don't have a drill with me right now. I'm using an awl, and I'm gonna make a slight hole there to allow the screw to come back in. Okay, so this is the original screw. As you can see, it's small, but we definitely want to use it because you got a mirror here and you don't want to crack the glass. I made my hole with the awl, and now I'm just going to set this in by hand. And there you go. So now I'm going to get these back in their slots. Again, all doing this by hand. This is not a job for machine. Okay, you check it out, you make sure it's flush because they cannot sit proud of the wood, otherwise they're not going to close properly. There you go, job's done.